In front of me is a Galaxy Note 9 and I will show you how to enter Fastboot mode. So to get started we'll need to power off the device using the power key. So I'm gonna do that right now. And then tap on power off. Okay. Wait for the device to turn off. And from here we will hold power key and volume up together. Like so. Okay, and as you can see now we're in the boot menu where we will use volume up to navigate and volume down to confirm. So to get to Fastboot mode, go to the second position, which is right here, and then press the volume down to confirm it. And we're now in Fastboot mode, as you can see on the below it appeared. So this is how you enter Fastboot mode. Now if you want to leave this mode, we will hold power key till the device turns off. Okay. And then hold it once more to turn it back on. Okay. And now it will turn on back to the normal Android. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.